Hello everyone, I'm Keith, and that's Kaye, my little Philipina. And Kaye is cooking now. She's cooking me some pancit. She says she's gonna cook that for me, and she's doing it. Usually we eat out at the Asian restaurant, and we have pancit there, but she says she can cook it, so I wanna taste her cooking. And right now she's already cooked up the green onions to go in it, the red onions. Also the cabbage, she says, go in it. And we got some cooked white fish balls, said that's gonna go in it. That's lettuce. And of course the soy sauce and oils here. And also the garlic she's chopping up. And we have over here some chicken. She's boiling, she's gonna chop up, put in it, gonna cook it in this pot here. So I'm just dying to taste it. These are the noodles she's gonna use. This is a special type of noodle for pancit, she said. You only get these at the Asian market. They don't have it at the Rouse or any other market around here, but hey babe, you alright?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
You need my help?
No.
No? Okay, get on girl. Huh? Maybe later. I had to help her peel the onion because she started crying. Look at her eyes. She was crying. The onions are making her eyes cry. But she's doing a pretty good job. And, you know, she's going to have to start cooking for me. She's my wife. She's going to cook my meals. She wants to do it, but we've usually been eating out. I've been taking her around in different places, showing her different restaurants at different areas in Los Angeles and the surrounding counties. But anyway, I'm gonna cook some fish. I got fish here I'm gonna cook. I got some sculpin and I got some halibut. I'm gonna cook that. She does that. But I'm just dying to taste my little Filipina's food. Now she's chopping up the chicken. It's pretty hot, huh?
Yep.
She's chopping the chicken she's gonna cook in there, and the small pieces. All that's gonna go in the noodles with the onions, the carrots, and the fish balls. All that's gonna go in a big pot I just showed you over there. Don't cut your hands, babe. But that's the fish she's chopping up real good.
Fish.
I mean, excuse me, chicken. She's chopping up real good. So Kaye asked me to soak the noodles in the pot. So I did that, soaked the floor. Put the whole package in there. I'm just gonna soak it like she said do. See what happens. Right now, Kaye is peeling the shrimp. She's putting shrimp off in it. This is what she peeled so far. That's gonna go off in it. And she's peeling away of the shrimp, tiger shrimp. Let's go in there. Good. She's already got the chicken ready, the vegetables ready, the carrots and onions over there ready to put in there. Okay, Kaye's putting the shrimp inside the pot that she's gonna cook it in, so they can start cooking. I'm putting the water, because the water's gonna make it flatter, right?
But it has 4 minutes.
So short you can't see in the skillet. You want a glove to put on? She's cooking that, and we'll see what comes next. Just add the fish balls in there. I'm going to cook that up a little bit, even though they're already fully cooked. That's what she says she wants to do. Put the fish balls in, so very good. Mix the fish. But now,
We're waiting.
we're waiting. That's it?
Yeah.
You don't explain what you're doing, how you do it, or so you're a lesson to somebody? Or?
You always taking a video.
Alright, okay. We'll talk to the viewers. Now she's adding the chicken in there, frying that up a little bit. Be careful, don't burn yourself, man. You know she gets on her tippy toes when she goes to the pot because it's so short you can't see inside the pot. Okay, she just put the cabbage in. She's over there washing dishes as you go along. Don't worry about washing now, baby. Just put the food. Cook the food. Don't worry. Wash the dishes later. Here, I'll stir it up for her. Give her a hand. She took the cabbage out. She's cooking the garlic, and she's gonna cook the carrots in it. And she's putting in the green onions and the red onions. Why don't you just dump the whole thing in there? I don't know.
Are you a Filipino?
No, I'm a black Filipino. There she goes. The carrots. Stirring it up real good. Carrots, garlic, and green onions are in there now. You tired? Oh, poor thing. Do what?
Put everything.
Put everything, she said. So she put in something. She put in the shrimps. Now she's putting in the fish balls and chicken. And now, with the cabbage? She's adding the cabbage in there. Alright, everything's all nice. And she's stirring it up real good. Really, really good. Looks good already, girl. All that stuff mixing in.
Do you have pepper?
Sure, we got pepper. Let me see. Where's the pepper at? Here. No. No, yeah. Sprinkle all that. Don't sneeze. Like a lot of pepper. I like a lot of pepper in my stuff.
Let me know when.
Huh?
Let me know when. Stop.
So then you think it's enough, you stop. Alright, she's putting water in there. I guess after she puts the water, she's gonna do something else. Stirring the broth up. And now, what is that you're putting in there? Let me see that.
Huh?
What's that? Soy sauce she's putting in the water. She's adding that in there. Now, I know you ain't gonna put all of it. Okay, she's getting ready to put in the noodles. Water's boiling. She's gonna put the noodles in. So I guess that boils too. The noodles, sprinkling all around in there, in the pot. There you go. Just hold the pot up there. I'll help you. Here you go. Just dump the noodles in. Don't be afraid. Just dump it in there. There you go.
Too much water.
Well, we'll drain it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they back there. Oh, she's put. Okay, she said she's getting ready to put in something. What did you say?
Come here. The one in pink.
You want me to bring it to you?
Yeah.
Alright, she's getting ready to put in this stuff here. She's putting in the whole mixture. The carrots, the fish, the shrimp, everything in there. Alright. Stirs it up real good. Stir it, don't be scared.
Too much water.
Alright, just let it simmer. The water's gonna boil out.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Doing a good job. Well, okay, I'm ready to show everybody your pancit, okay? What do you say?
Okay.
Oh, wow. That's the finished product. of her pancit. They got noodles, fish, shrimp, chicken, cabbage, soy sauce, carrots, onions, green onions. That's it. And of course I'm frying fish right here. But anyway, come here, KK. Well, I also want to thank Kaye for the wonderful pancit she cooked for me. It looks so delicious, baby, and I taste it. It tastes very good, you know.
Really, I'm gonna taste it.
Thank you, baby. She did a real good job. And I'm pretty proud of her. She can cook. And it's called what? Pancit? Pancit. So anyway, I'm gonna end this little video real quick. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And please continue to watch Keith
and Kaye,
my little Philipina. Good night. Have a good day. And subscribe below, please.